Okay, now we're looking at lesson 10.6, problem solving on page 427. How can you use this strategy? Make a table to help you solve problems about customary and metric conversion. So what we've done the last 2-3 lessons. Erin is making fruit punch for a family reunion. He needs to make 120 cups of punch. If he wants to store the fruit punch in gallon containers, how many gallon containers will Erin need? He needs 120 cups, and he wants to store it in gallon containers. What do I need to find? I need to find how many gallon containers can be filled with 120 cups of punch. Okay, this is the middle box. It says, what information do I need to use? I need to use the number of cups being made and the number of cups in 1 gallon. How will I use the information? I will make a table to show the relationship between the number of cups and the number of gallons. Make a table to show the relationship between the number of cups and the number of gallons. There are blank cups in a gallon. How many?
16.
There are 4 quarts in a gallon. There are 8 pints in a gallon, and there are 16 cups in a gallon. So each cup is what of a gallon? What fraction of a gallon?
1/16.
1/16 of a gallon. So 1 cup is 1/16. 2 cups is 2/16 or 1/8. 3 cups is 3/16. 4 cups is 4/16 or 1/4. So 120 cups is how much? What did I have to multiply by to get, what did I multiply by? 1 times 1/16, right? So I have to multiply 120 by 1/16. So 120 times 1 is 120 over 16. So we can reduce this right now, and that will save us a lot of headache. What can I divide each of those by?
2, 3, 4.
Well, I can divide it by 4. What am I going to get? How many 4s in 12?
3.
I can reduce this by dividing them each by 2. How many 2s in 15?
7.
7, that's 14, right? We subtract, we get 1.
7 and 1/2.
7 and 1/2. Now, wasn't that a lot easier than dividing 120 by 16?
Yeah.
So, what is your possible explanation? The last gallon container, will all the gallon containers Erin uses be filled to capacity? Oh, wait a minute. Stop right there. Let's look at this part again. So, remember, he only has gallon containers. So, how many gallon containers is he going to need?
8.
And then at the bottom, it says, will all the gallon containers Erin uses be filled to capacity?
No.
So, write no.
8. No.
And why? The last gallon container will only be 1/2 full. The last gallon container will be only 1/2 full.